So when the form loads, we simply want to display the passengers based on their seating and not alphabetically based on their names. So we can rearrange the found passengers list based on the column and the row using a lambda expression with order by clauses. So in our load event, I'm going to work with the found passenger list or found passengers list, and it will equal, and what it equals is the passengers in our list. So it will again equal to itself found passengers. However, we will sort it here, and to sort it we will use the order by. So we will use dot order by, and first we sort it by the column. So C for the column goes into C dot seed column, and after it is sorted by the column, we will add another order by after that. So order by, and this time we will sort it by the seed row. So row or R goes into R dot seed row. So again, we have our passengers list. We take it and we order it by the seed column, and once it is ordered, then we will also order it by the seed row. But you can see that it's complaining again, and that's because we are assigning the result back to our list, so we need to explicitly convert the result to the list. So after everything is sorted, we'll do dot to list. And again, everything is now nice and happy. And all that is left is to display the sorted passengers in the data grid view. And to do that, we will simply set the found passengers list to be the data source for the grid view. So we will do dgv passengers dot data source, and we will assign it to our list of found passengers. So our lookups form is finished, and next we can start coding our main form and put it all together.